Hello everyone, in this tutorial I want to show you a new stitch tutorial, a new stitch pattern that you can use for your summer makes or anything that you want to do with a lace stitch pattern. It can be a scarf, it can be a top, it can be anything. So this is the stitch pattern that I want to show you. I was using this stitch pattern for the purple love cardigan, which I designed back in 2018, and it's another design that I want to remake and give the pattern a makeover. So I just started to make it over here, and I was thinking that before finish this cardigan and have a new video tutorial for it to show you how you can make this beautiful lace stitch pattern. So I'm using some yarn for the arcane fiber, is a hand-dyed yarn, and for this sample I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, even if it's a fingering weight yarn, because somehow with these chain stitches my gauge is really tight because of the chain stitches, and I want it to be a bit more drapey, and I don't know, I like the fabric more with a bigger crochet hook. And right over here I just started for the tutorial. It's just a 2 rows repeat, so it's really easy to make. So let's get started.
Okay, so this stitch pattern requires a multiple of 8 plus 1 stitches, and I will chain over here a number of stitches, a small piece, a small sample, just to show you how you can work this stitch pattern. But in any length you will want to work your project, you'll need a multiple of 8 plus 1 stitches. Okay, I have here a multiple of 8 stitches, so now I will chain 1 is to the 1 stitch is for symmetry, and now because I want to make a first row as a base in single crochet, I will chain 1 more and then single crochet into each stitch until the end of the row. Okay, we finished the row base, and now we will chain 6, skip the next 2 stitches, and into the next one work 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch and 1 single crochet in next, chain 3, skip the next 2 stitches and work 1 double crochet in next, chain 3, and we will start repeating the section. Skip 2 stitches, 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, chain 3, skip 2 stitches and 1 double crochet, and we will repeat until the end of the row. And we will finish the row with chain 3, skip 2 stitches and 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Now we will start row number 2 with chain 1, 1 single crochet into the first stitch, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the 1 chain space, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the stitch before the double crochet, chain 1, skip the double crochet stitch and work 1 single crochet into the stitch after the double crochet, chain 3, and we will start repeating 1 double crochet into the 1 chain space, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the stitch before the double crochet, chain 1, skip the double crochet stitch and work a single crochet into the stitch after the double crochet. And when we are getting at the end of the row, we will finish with 1 single crochet into the 3rd chain. Now to start row number 3, we will chain 6. The first 3 stitches are counting as a double crochet, and then we will go into the stitch before the double crochet and work 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip the double crochet and 1 single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3 and 1 double crochet into the 1 chain space, chain 3, and we will start repeating this section. And we will finish the row with 1 double crochet into the last stitch. And this will be the rows that you'll have to repeat until you'll get to the desired length. So I hope you like the stitch pattern. This is how it's looking after working more rows, and you'll try to use it in your next project. Thank you so much for being here, and see you next time. Bye.